Simai, hello again, and croeso i'r sianel. Welcome to the channel. Well, the weather here in North Wales continues to be obnoxious. Ddiflas ofnadwy. And it's frustrating my plans to go out and film the local beauty spots and interesting places. But nevertheless, I did go for a walk this week. I went for a walk up the Clwydian hills on the Clwydian range, which is not far from here. And these hills are known as Moels. Now in Welsh, Moel means bald. And they're so called because these are bald hills. They have no trees on them. Most of them are hill forts. But the one I went up was the biggest one of the lot, Moel Famau, which means Mother of Hills. Now the weather, predictably, was appalling. It was rainy, it was wet, it was cold, the cloud was very, very low. But as I was walking up the hill, I couldn't help but be impressed by the atmosphere, the low cloud. And I thought, what a great place to make a horror film. Now, there was nothing I could do about it because I didn't have any equipment with me. I didn't have any time because I was meeting somebody at the top at a pre-arranged time. But I just felt I had to do something. So in the space of about 7 minutes, I knocked up an improvised story. I filmed it very basically on my mobile phone, wind noise and all. And when I got home, I tried to knock it in some sort of shape as a sort of mini horror film. Now, I'll be honest with you, it's not exactly The Exorcist, but it is entertaining, and it is, after all, just a little bit of fun. So if you'd like to see what Moel Famau looks like in low cloud and rain and wind, then just click on the link at the end of this video or in the write-up below. And until we get better weather, hwyl fawr i chi. See you soon.